Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to add contact form 7 to your WordPress website. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand side, find and click on Plugins, then select Add New. In the search bar, type contact form 7 and press Enter. Once you find it, click Install Now and then Activate to get the plugin ready for use on your site. This simple process takes less than 1 minute. Now that contact form 7 is active, let's create your first form. In your WordPress dashboard, you'll see a new menu item called Contact. Click on it, then select Add New. Give your form a descriptive name, like General Inquiry Form, so you can easily recognize it later. The plugin provides a basic form template, which is a great starting point, but you can also customize fields to perfectly suit your needs. Customizing your form fields is straightforward and powerful. You can add various field types, such as checkboxes for consent, radio buttons for options, or drop-down menus for selections. To modify an existing field, simply adjust its label or placeholder text. It's also crucial to mark essential fields as required to ensure your visitors provide all the necessary information before submitting their message. This helps you gather complete data. Finally, let's embed your new contact form onto a page. After saving your form, contact form 7 generates a unique shortcode. Copy this shortcode. Then, navigate to the page or post where you want the form to appear. Simply paste the shortcode directly into the content editor. Update or publish your page, and your fully functional contact form will be live and ready to receive messages from your visitors. It's that easy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.